Hello and welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple spring arrangement. And what have we got? Well, we've got three really cute little vases. These are quite spherical with quite a narrow neck, but we're going to use these three together in line to create our base. I've also got some beautiful painted birch twigs, which you can get kind of springtime, and you'll get them in lots of different colours. And then for our spring flowers, I've got a range of different things. I've got some tulips, iris, daffodils, we've got a nice French tulip. I've got these little button chrysanthemums, the little Kermit chrysanthemums, and some craspedia. So really a mix of different shapes and colours and textures, so really just to give us some interest. But we don't need a lot of different flowers. So what I've done is I've filled our vases with some water, and that's going to give us some stability. And then for our twigs, what I've done is I've just turned some in different directions. So the brown bits you're seeing here are actually the bottom of the white twigs. And all I'm doing is really just lying the twigs into a set. And we're going to use a little bit of the paper covered wire just to bind one end. And then another bit just to bind the other end. So really what I'm doing is wanting to just bring these together, but also create a little bit of tension in it so that we create a good framework for our base. So now what we can do is we can use this lip on the containers to support that framework. Now, I can tidy this off. So you could, if you wanted, add ribbon or different coloured ribbon as a theme maybe through this. It's up to you how much you want to build it or how simple you want to keep it. So straight away, we've got three areas here where we can place flowers, but I was also thinking that we might add a tube or two. So I've got these little test tubes, and these came from Oasis. And we can just drop them in. So our framework's going to hold these as well. And just again add a little bit more interest. Now these test tubes have got a small lip on the neck. So straight away this is held quite well by the actual twigs. If you wanted, if you're going to put this in a place where it's maybe going to get a lot of movement, then you might want to make it a little bit more secure. But realistically, this is fine for in the home. We can just add these test tubes. Quite simple. So that one's just a little bit further on. So what I'm going to do is just add another little bit of bind to make sure that we have that test tube. So this is our base, and now we just need to add the flowers. So I'm just going to get myself a pair of scissors, and then we can start working our flowers in. And we can just put these in really, really simply. With the tulip, we might want to make something of the length. And we can also use our twigs to help hold the flowers where we want them. But really we just want to make a little collection. So I'm not overthinking about this. I mean, you can take your time and really enjoy doing it, but actually just having it look very casual, I think, is quite a nice way to do it. And I really like this lime green. I think works very, very well for spring arrangement. And with our stems, we can just get a little bit of differences of height as well. So we're building this up. Now this neck is very narrow. So if I'm wanting to put two in, I really need to just make sure that I put the two stems in together and work them down at the same time. So this is a piece of asparagus fern. You get different ones, and I thought this might be quite nice just to bring a touch of green into the arrangement but not be too heavy. And I think the little craspedia are just quite fun and quite playful. Even just putting a bend on them actually works really, really well. So just look at your design and see if you want to add anything anywhere else. I think what we'll do is we'll just bring this in line a little bit. And it really is as simple as that. We've created a framework, we've used these for stability, we've added a few more containers to give us a little bit more options for placing flowers, and then we've just added a very small selection of flowers, different colours, but we can really see them in our design. So this would look perfect, I think, on a table and beautiful for spring. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to keep up to date with all our videos, then click here to subscribe, and thank you for watching.